God, it's so hot. It's beautiful today.
They harvesting.
Yeah. Is it pick your own? Beautiful. I like that skirt, Mel. You should wear a few more of them. Now, if you were wearing that with some high shoes, obviously you can't hear. But like, you know, if we went anywhere, you know them wedgies? Be nice. Now, going off subject a bit, I was watching some UK TV about poverty in the UK the other day and unemployment. And it just brings it home to me how a lot of people, I'm not talking about the US because I know nothing about the US, but I do know a lot about the UK. And trust me, you can't go back to the UK and just walk into a job, you can't. And I was in the haulage, the bus industry, then the haulage industry. I was self-employed for 5 years. And obviously finished in the haulage industry, and I was earning about 28,000 a year as a truck driving assessor. I did other duties as well, it wasn't just that. But I couldn't, it took me a long time to work my way up to that. And there's just not the jobs in the UK. I couldn't walk into that again. If I could, then I'd have no trouble getting my family back in the UK if that's what I wanted to do, but there's no way on God's earth would I want to do that. And I've shown Mel a lot of videos about the UK, and she's even more insistent. She doesn't want to go back there. Oh, hello. So my point is, and I'm not saying that, you know, the Philippines is for everybody, but if you are in a position to retire here, and I'm not advocating, you know, being stupid and meeting somebody online and spending all your money and all that, you know, come over here, rent somewhere for a while, see if it's for you. Don't put yourself in a position where you have to be with one person if they're not right for you. Oh, this is amazing. I want to go and see them over there, but as you saw, that guy was getting a bit excited about people walking amongst the sunflowers. You got, baby?
Your drone.
Me drone, yeah.
It's not windy here. Huh?
Yeah, I'm going to have to get it out of the box and have a look at it. My friend Adrian brought me this. My story was, well, it wasn't a story, it's the truth. My very expensive DJI Phantom 4 drone flew off, and I'm not joking, it just flew off. I did a firmware upgrade on it, and it was acting really weird after the firmware upgrade. And long story short, we went to Robinson's to do an aerial video around there, and it just shot. It stopped, didn't it?
Yeah.
Turned slightly to the left and then just shot off straight, and I couldn't get it to bring back. The go to home wouldn't work, nothing had worked. So anyway, I lost my drone. So I said, that's it. You know, the drone was about, at the time, about 70, no it wasn't, it was nearly 80,000 pesos. And I said to Mel, I'm not doing that again. And then I happened to be online and I got this pop-up about a drone. So I looked into it on YouTube, and it looked good value for money, and it was really, really cheap. So Adrian brought it me from the UK because I couldn't get it here. So he brought it me, but I've never had it out the box. I keep forgetting I've got it. And there's only certain places like this where the drone would come in handy, to be honest. Let's just walk down here. I want to have a look. these look like, is it lupins? Something like that. I know, guys, I'm terrible. I love the colours of flowers and stuff, but no, it's not. But I just kill everything, except odd plants. I've had some odd plants, and I've not killed them. Look at them, how beautiful they are. But Mel, don't you love Mel? You know, you say, well, do you want some flowers, babe? No, it's a waste of money. Buy me some chocolate.
Yeah, I rather pizza or chocolate.
Yeah.
Or maybe you can give the money.
Yeah. Give her the, hey, that was me mum though. You know, on the other video, my mum said I'd rather have a plant, but I forgot to mention she also said either give me the plant or, in actual fact, just give me the money. So there we go, guys. We've got plenty of banana trees. Can't see any coconuts. Oh, I can. There's one. There's one over there. Oh, this is amazing. It's not. Look, Mel. It's not just. You what, babe?
You like the place?
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's not just one house. Look, Mel. There's loads over there.
But it's long distance.
Yeah. Plus, it's not very good security if you're a foreigner and you have a house out in the wilds.
Yeah.
You know, if you're a Filipino, fair enough, I guess. Well, even Filipinos need security. You've seen a lot of these houses, they've got big walls and what have you. But if you're a foreigner, you've got to have big walls and security. If you're out in the middle of nowhere,
I also know.
you will, I know.
I will take a picture there. Take a picture there.
What? Where?
There, at the middle.
Yeah.
You can put the helmet
T-
there.
I'll tell you what.
Because you're not good, photographer.
I'm not a good photographer. How dare you? That's outrageous.
When I look, oh, it's blurred.
Do you know what? Till I come to
sorry
the
to say that,
Philippines,
but
I'd
it's
never
true.
even held a camera, let alone a video camera and
Look,
stuff.
it's not my
Right, so what do you want to do?
picture.
Before I end the video, guys, I just thought I'd show you this. This is the cockfighting place. And normally you can't move around here, but it's obviously it's closed today. And that's why I wanted to show you it, because if there was a load of people, we'd just be getting approached and this, that and the other. So you can see the seats are there, the cockfighting rings there. Now I've asked my pa to actually bring me, and you know, so I could watch it, and he keeps saying no because they'll try and rip you off. You see how this family is?
Because I know foreigner, they're gonna come with you.
Yeah, he says they'll come straight to you trying to get you to bet, so they can make more money. Now you know Annie, you know Annie, father-in-law and her husband works here, so this is what they do. But is it only open 3 days a week, Mel? You know, I'm gonna ask you something. You know.
Friday. Wednesday, Friday.
Yeah.
I'm not going there. So
You can ask Ate.
Ate, bukas. Ay, ano ka daw? It's only 3 days. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
And how much is admission?
Magkano ang entrance?
Oh, it says here, look, it's got it.
Wait lang. Pag Saturday. Pag Sunday. If Friday, 250 pesos. Saturday and Sunday, 70 pesos. Ano tama?
Why is it 250?
That's what I'm asking. Can
All
you
right,
shut
calm
down?
down, calm down.
Kaano ta? Ano, mahal pa ba Friday? Ha? Someone's gonna rent out. There's a, how to say that?
Oh, somebody rents the place for the day, so
They gonna play the what's this? Is it
They're gonna play the they're gonna play. Yeah, all right.
I Elgin said, right? I need to careful to say that.
Yeah, you've got to be careful when you're
What's it
talking.
called again?
What?
The chicken. Play.
Fighting cocks.
Yeah, fighting cocks.
Yeah. I've got lots of jokes about that, but it's a family show.
Thank you, Ate.
Thank you. So this is where they were. I just wanted to show you that for the end of the video and give you a little bit something else to have a look at. What?
Muddy.
Yeah, I know it's muddy. I'm not walking in it, babe, am I? So this place is San Felipe,
Yeah.
and it's beautiful along here. It's all like this along San Felipe. Now,
Eco Park there, going there.
yeah, Eco Park. We'll have to visit there again, won't we? One day, show them it again. Because I've done one where I used my drone, but it's buried in my videos, and you know, I keep getting asked, can you give me a link? And it's really hard because I've got like 670 something videos, and it's hard to go back. What was I going to say? So yeah, we're on San Felipe, and I've been asked, this is another place that obviously that way is the hot springs and the resort we went to on the last videos, and sometimes, in fact quite a few times, you'll see lots for sale along here, and the further out you get, the cheaper it gets. The further out of Naga you get.
Before that, I would like
Did you
to...
just push me then?
No.
You
Before
did,
that,
you
I
did,
would...
you just pushed me.
Shut up! You always...
Alright, calm down.
I would like to thanks to Brian and Glenn for sending a pizza.
Oh yeah,
Right.
Brian and Glenn,
Yeah, thank you so much, Brian and Glenn.
thank you so much, yeah. Now, we haven't thanked you before now because I've been ill for the past 5 days, haven't I? It's been really bad. I've been throwing up and other things that we'll not go into, and sweating and shaking, and it's been really bad. I've been really ill, and this is the first day I feel nearly 100%, not quite.
If 100% you're right, I better now.
Yeah. So it's over to you then, babe.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video.
videos.
Bye.
Oh, before we go, I'd like to say something else. There is a problem with my website. Since they've changed the structure of the website, they've gone from what I thought was a great, I can't think of it, what's it called, dashboard. They've gone from a good dashboard to a really bad dashboard, and our revenue has gone down 50%. Our views, according to them, have gone down something like 43%, and I don't know what's happening with the subscribers, but they're just dropping and dropping and dropping. You know, I'll gain 2 and they'll go down 3, and etc, etc. So could I ask you guys, please make sure that you subscribe, because I know for a fact that there was like 21 subscribers unsubscribed overnight, and I've been getting messages saying I've been unsubscribed. I've been getting messages saying it's hard to find your channel. So can you please make sure that you are subscribed and you hit that bell, and when the bell opens up, it has 3 different things you can do. Just click on all. And can I also ask that you revisit some of my videos every now and then, just to, you know, up the views, because things are looking a bit dire, aren't they, regards revenue. I'm being serious, guys. I'm not having you on. It's getting a little bit scary.
So hot.
Yeah, it's very hot today.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear We must merely make a strive. Savannah.